All right, I'll say let us continue this transmission by asking each and every one of you to allow yourselves to become very relaxed in your seats. Take a deep breath in and let it out. One more time, a deep breath in and let it out. And a third time, a deep breath in and hold it. Hold it and blow it out. Continue to breathe gently, deeply. Let go of the cares of the day. Just relax. You are here and now exactly where you need to be. Allow your music and lights to begin to play as you allow yourself to open to the holotope before you. Focus your eyes on the center of the image. For this is the eye of the storm. Use it as a symbol. As you continue to breathe, use it, ingrain it, absorb it, allow it into your mind and into your heart as a symbol, the center, with everything swirling around it as the holotope depicts. Ring upon ring upon ring of different events, different circumstances, different situations that may crop up in the storm that surrounds you, swirling around you, a maelstrom of thunder and lightning, but also containing the elements of peace and beauty and power, so that from within the center, as the storm swirls around you, you may be in a place of stability and peace and calm and certainty and confidence, so that you may extract from what is swirling around you that which truly represents the reality that you prefer, in energy, in tone, in speech, in action. All of the things that you choose to do from this place, in the here and the now at the center of the storm, will come from the true you if you allow it. Relax into it. Absorb its power, the power of peace, the power of solitude, the power of knowing who you truly are. And as you imagine yourself at any time, anywhere, any place, no matter what may happen in the year and years to come, remember this moment. Call yourself back to this moment so that you are standing in the eye, the peaceful, beautiful, brilliant, bright eye of the storm, which is the eye of all that is. For it sees all that surrounds and all that manifests and all that it is in reflections of infinite proportions, infinite perspectives, infinite beauty, infinite meaning, infinite being. Imagine yourselves now as you focus on the center that you are seeing in your mind's eye, that you are in the eye of a storm that surrounds you. The clouds rise up to the heights. You see within it the flashes of lightning of different occurrences and the peals of thunder that reach your ears, that remind you that there are things going on around you all the time. But you also see the cloud tops and the sunlight reflecting upon them, and you take that into your heart. And the air in the eye is fresh and clean and invigorating and crisp. And take a deep, deep breath of it right now and reassure yourself that you are where you need to be. You know in your heart. You know in your discernment, and you know in your choices what is truly aligned with this moment, with this place of peace. And you know the difference between this and the chaos that surrounds you. Choose. Choose to be here with us in this now moment. All of your brothers and sisters and mothers and fathers, with your family, in physical and non-physical reality, in the here and the now. Choose to stay with us here. Choose to remain in our loving embrace. Choose to be who you truly are, so that you may receive and experience the unconditional love that you are always being given, but which, through fear-based beliefs, you may not always perceive. Open up to being willing to allow it into your heart and into your life, in this place of perfect peace amid the chaos that swirls around you. Observe it from a neutral position. Understand it with compassion. And choose to be who you truly are in your heart of hearts. You know the difference. You can see the difference between what you prefer and what you do not. You know how to tell the difference. Relax into this moment. Relax into the eye of the storm. Relax into the peace and certainty. Do not give over to anger. Do not give over to justification. Do not pay attention to the fear-based beliefs when they tell you the lies about yourself, that you are not worthy, not deserving, not powerful, not trusting, not confident. For you are always all these things and more. No matter what you may feel at any given moment, it is always the result of what you choose to believe is true. So rather than marshal a defense, simply be decisive, be discerning, be aware, open your eyes and see what is true. Do not pay attention to the words, but the actions of those you encounter, for that is the truth that they speak. Watch what they do as we watch you, and see whether or not you are choosing to be in this space and in this reality where we may someday meet and play and expand the cosmic family to which we all belong. Allow the vibration that you hear and the vibrations that you see to penetrate deep within your soul and ignite the light within you so that you may light the path that will stretch before you once you emerge from the eye of the storm. For the storm shall calm, the storm shall dissipate eventually, and you will be left on the path that you chose while in the eye. And that will be the path that you shall walk. So whatever you choose, own it now. Decide now what is the true path for you. For on some of those paths you will find us, and on some you will not. And on some of those paths you will find yourself, and on some you will not. Choose wisely from your heart, from what you know to be true in the depths of your soul, in the depths of your being, and walk the path you chose with responsibility and peace and power. And you will learn the lessons thereupon that are designed just for you. And you will grow and you will see with different eyes in time. One way or the other, you will find your way home. But it is up to you. Through what forests and deserts and snow-capped peaks you may journey before you arrive home. Allow your path to be the path of least resistance, the path that is truly reflective of who you know yourself to be. Let go and surrender. Surrender the opinions of the mind that come from negative and fear-based beliefs. That is not your rudder. That is not your compass. Your passion is your compass. It points to your magnetic north. Walk the path that is true for you. Walk within your true self. And as you now stand here in the eye of the storm, with the clouds swirling all around you, take once again a deep breath of that crystal clear air that invigorates and energizes and enlightens you. And let it out. And as you let it out, let go of the things that do not need to be in your heart, that do not need to be in your mind, that do not need to be in your reality, that do not need to be in your life. But invite in only the things you truly need, for the things you need will fulfill you and allow you to walk the path with eyes wide open and experience the journey of beauty and joy and creativity and love and peace and power and knowingness. Open up to the symbols of synchronicity as they may join you in the eye of the storm, so that you may choose wisely and discern wisely from those symbols that represent who you truly are, and see through the illusions that do not serve you. Open your eyes and let go of anything you have been holding on to that you thought was important that you now know is not. Relationship, the ones that reflect to you that which truly allow you to grow and become more of who you are the ones that are going to be vibrationally compatible with the reality in which we can together one day play. Let them be without imposition, without assumption, without framing them in what your mind and beliefs thinks they should be, but let them be what they are as they come to you. Let the relationships and the symbols of synchronicity show you why they are there. Do not impose upon them your assumption or your insistence. Let them be what they are, for they are automatically designed to serve you, automatically designed to uplift you, automatically designed to support you here in the eye of the storm. Do not leave. Do not leave that vibration. Do not walk away from yourself, but invite yourself back in, your true self. In dreams and in life, the physical dream, invite yourself to live the dream that is true for you, regardless of anyone else's perspective or opinion, for they do not live your life, you do. Be true to your own path. Be true to yourself. and know yourself. Know yourself. Know yourself. Breathe in again the crisp, clear, crystalline air of the eye of the storm and feel it fill you up, every cell, every atom. And feel that spark of divine light burst forth within you. All things aligning, soothing, nurturing, supporting. Relax into yourself. Be calm. Be calm. Think things through. Be calm. Respond accordingly. Be calm. Feel your power and feel that there is no need to rush. You are an eternal and indestructible being. There is nowhere more important you need to be than here and now. The present is all there is. Be present with yourself every moment that you can. Continue to breathe. Continue to relax. Let the vibrations dim, the music soften, the lights diminish, but remain in the eye of the storm, sensing the peace, sensing the calmness, and sensing the power within that. The power of peace. The power of your true selves. Continue to breathe it in and let yourself feel the arms of your cosmic family wrapped around you in unconditional love. We thank you for being a part of our family, and we welcome you into our home as you have welcomed us into yours. Be with us, journey with us, and the world shall open before you in ways you haven't imagined. We are always here for you, but we leave it to you to decide what path you shall take from here. We will have more to say in the year to come. Use your 2020 vision forward and your 2020 hindsight to bring them into the present, to learn the lessons you have learned, and to apply them forward to the reality you prefer. Continue to breathe and be at peace and receive our unconditional love. As always, welcome home, welcome home, welcome home.